Ready to come down to the river. Water's getting higher. It's muddy. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I'm going to use this authentx plastic chartreuse 1/4 ounce jig head. I'm going to slow down the presentation a little bit. I may try a rip and wrap at some point, but I'm going to use this to see if get any fish. I think I got about 8 inches of visibility in the water, so it's plenty. Let's see if we can get into some fish here. Almost fell down. Can't do that. I can't. Oh, I got a cramp now. He's decent. Yeah. Bringing them around. This one's not butte status. No. Nice one though. Not bad.
I don't know why you're getting them up there, right?
No. It's all about the angle. Go try it up there. Smaller one. Decent. Probably 17 or so. Not bad. It's a nice fish here. Oh, a little musky. A little musky. Oh, other way, buddy. Cool. Adam is locked up. Rippin wrap. Chartreuse shad. Nice one. First one. Locked up. This one feels pretty decent. I lost one good one, got two others. Yeah, this is nice fish. Yeah, that's a beaut. That's a real big one. Wow. That's a monster. Well, it's got my first big one of the year. It's a beaut. Probably 29, close to 30 inches, probably 9 pounds, close to 10. Caught it on an authentx plastic. Been here all day. Lost one other big one, got I think 2 others. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Get this one back in the water. See if we can catch it again another time. That's a beautiful fish. That's a beaut. There he goes. Awesome. Cool. A lot of hours on the water today. Rain. Water's, I like it colored. It's a little more colored than I typically like, but fishing was okay. Got 3 walleyes, 1 real big one, and lost another big one and caught a small muskie. Everything I caught was on this authentx plastic. I started using that last year and it worked really well for walleye. So all in all, good day. Can't complain. I did better than I thought I would. Anyways, thanks for watching. To the next video.